Hello everyone, want to clear cache in the ChatGPT app? I'll show you how to do it in just few easy steps. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Then scroll down and tap on Apps or App Management, depending on your device. Now find ChatGPT in the list of the installed app and tap on it to open the app settings. Once you are in, look towards the bottom right corner and you will see an option called Clear Data. Go ahead and tap on it. A pop-up will appear with two options, Clear All Data and Clear Cache. Make sure to tap on Clear Cache. A confirmation message will pop up. Tap OK to proceed. And just like that, your cache is cleared. Clearing cache helps free up storage and fix minor issues. But if the app is still lagging, you might want to try restarting your phone and reinstalling the app. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.